What is physiology? Physiology is the science of body functions. It studies the nature of the human body. Nature in the sense of how structures at different levels work. So we can say that physiology is an explanation of life. Here I would like to clear one thing. Anatomy and physiology, they both are intimately related. Anatomy is the study of structures in the human body, while physiology is the study of functions. For example, a hand is able to grab things, which is a function, because the length, shape, and mobility of the fingers determine what things a hand can grab. So, this length, shape, and mobility of the fingers is form, structure, which is part of anatomy. Similarly, a muscle contracts and brings bones together, which is a function, due to the arrangement of muscles and bones and the arrangement of organelles inside of muscle cells. So, this structural arrangement is part of anatomy, which determines how much and for how long a muscle can contract, which is a function. So, this is how anatomy and physiology are related. Now, what are the subspecialties of physiology? First one is neurophysiology, which is the study of functional properties of nerve cells. Then there is endocrinology, which is the study of hormones, which are chemical regulators in the blood, and it also studies how these hormones are controlling body functions. Next, there is cardiovascular physiology, which is the study of functions of the heart and blood vessels. Immunology, which is the study of body's defense against disease-causing agents. Next is respiratory physiology, which is the study of the functions of the air passageways and lungs. Next, renal physiology, which is the study of functions of the kidneys. Then there is exercise physiology, which is the study of changes in cell and organ functions due to muscular activity. And in last, there is pathophysiology, which is a study of functional changes that are associated with disease and aging.